Step 2, balancing body energy. Hold the recipient's ankles, then gently pull, stretch, and shake legs to release tension. Apply 3 to 6 drops of Valor 2 in the palm of your right hand and rub on the bottom of the recipient's right foot. Then apply 3 to 6 drops of Valor 2 to your left hand and rub on the bottom of the recipient's left foot. Place the palm of your right hand on the sole of the recipient's right foot and place the palm of your left hand on the sole of the left foot. Hold this position for 3 to 5 minutes or until you feel a connection of energy.